they're gonna think I'm crazy.
That's all right. That's all
You
right.
stop worrying about what everybody thinks about us.
Will you stop worrying about
Will you stop worrying about what everybody thinks about us?
what everybody else thinks?
Will you stop worrying about what everybody else thinks?
How can I? I saw a pregnant woman today on the way home and I almost lost it. Just burst into tears with Max sitting right there. Daniel barely talks to me. You and I haven't had sex in over a year now. What if I never get better? I don't want to lose you.
You're never going to lose us. I promise. I just wish... Have you found out more about a dog?
We can't replace the children we already have. But I can't even be a mother to the children we already have.
That's not true. The kids understand. They know you're just not happy.
They just know you're not happy.
It's not true. The kids understand. They know you're just not happy.
They just know.
They just know you're not happy.
But I should be.
Do you want another child?
You know I do. More than anything.
Even if it's not biologically ours.
Even if it can't be.
Even if it can't be biologically ours.
Yes.
What are we talking about this for? Let's do it.
You don't just adopt a child because you're lonely and depressed.
That's not why we'd be doing it. We wanted a child a year ago, and we still want one now.
We can't replace our baby.
No, we can't. We can't take the place we made for our hearts and our home. Give it to a child who needs a family. We can't. We love being parents. We're good at it, and it makes us happy. What other reasons do you need?
What better reasons do you want?
What better reason do you want?